Swole is an adjective used in informal contexts to describe someone who is muscular, well-built or physically strong, often as a result of intensive exercise, and weightlifting. It carries a tone of admiration or pride, frequently used in fitness culture to highlight visible physical progress or strength. Origins of swole. Swole is a colloquial form of swollen, which originally described something expanded or enlarged. It began to gain popularity in the early 2000s as a slang term within fitness and bodybuilding communities to describe someone whose muscles appear pumped or visibly larger due to exercise. How to use swole. Swole is commonly used in casual conversations, social media posts, and gym culture to describe a person with an impressive physique. It often conveys a sense of pride, effort, or encouragement in the context of physical fitness. Example sentences: he's been hitting the gym every day and now he's looking swole. After an intense workout, my arms are so swole I can barely lift them. Her goal this year is to get swole and run a marathon. Similar words: ripped, extremely muscular and lean, with highly visible definition. Jacked, very muscular and strong, often in a bulky way. Buff, well-toned and fit, generally muscular. Nuances of swole. Swole is playful and positive, often carrying a sense of humor or exaggeration. It emphasizes the visible results of hard work and dedication in fitness, making it a popular term in gym culture. However, it is distinctly informal and rarely used in professional or formal settings. In essence, swole reflects both the physical achievement of muscle building and the enthusiastic culture surrounding fitness. It's a celebration of strength, effort, and the pride that comes with personal transformation.